You're watching how to restart iPhone without touching the screen. You can restart your iPhone using only the physical buttons, which is essential if the touch screen is unresponsive. For iPhone models with Face ID, which includes iPhone X and later, the process is the same. First, press and quickly release the volume up button located on the left side, then immediately press and quickly release the volume down button, which is right below it. Now press and hold the side button, which is on the right side of the phone. Continue holding the side button even when the slide to power off slider appears on the screen. Ignore this slider and keep holding the button. After several more seconds, the screen will go completely black, and the Apple logo will appear. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the side button. Your iPhone has now been forced to restart and will boot up normally. This method performs a hard restart and can resolve many minor software glitches causing a frozen or unresponsive touch screen. If your iPhone is connected to a computer, you can also restart it without the screen by using iTunes or Finder to force restart, but the button method is the most direct when a computer isn't available. This process does not erase any data. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.